guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We are making something super special today, a delicious and healthy broccoli salad. You know, broccoli is not just your average veggie, it's packed with vitamins, it is known to support your immune system and even promote healthy skin. Now, how cool is that? Alright, first thing first, we need to cut our fresh broccoli into small bite-sized pieces. While we are doing that, go ahead and heat up some water. We will need it to boil our broccoli. Add the chopped broccoli and sprinkle some turmeric right into it. You see, turmeric is like a little health boost here. Mix it up, cover the lid and let it boil. Now for our salad ingredients, we have got some almonds, garlic cloves, green chilies, 1 or 2 onions, tomatoes, green bell pepper and the taste enhancer, lemon. Don't forget this trusty bowl of boiled sweet corn. Quick check up on your broccoli. If it's done, keep it aside and let it cool down. Now in a hot pan with a touch of ghee, we'll roast these almonds until they are nice and toasty and then set them aside for later. In the same pan, add more ghee if needed and toss in some minced garlic. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Add the sliced onions. Trust me, slicing onions this way makes them taste even better in salads. No scientific explanation, but just trust me on this one. Now add the chopped bell peppers. After a quick cook, add those boiled corn and chopped green chilies. If you're not into spicy, you can skip the chilies. Okay, no fancy sauces or spices here. We'll keep it simple. So just add some black salt and a sprinkle of black pepper powder. Okay, time to add boiled broccoli to the mix. Toss in some chopped tomatoes as well. It looks so beautiful. Once everything is cooked to perfection, add roasted almonds and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And there you have it, folks. You can enjoy it hot, cold or at any meal, breakfast, dinner or brunch. It's not just tasty, but it's a burst of health on your plate. Thanks for joining me today, and if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more such videos. Catch you in the next one.